Hi, I have a O3E error code on my Baxi Luna 3.5. Is the flue thermostat sensor and flue pressure switch the same part hash? I turned off power for a while, it cleared but then came back a few days later. Will replacing part 23 possibly solve my problem? Unit was installed after Sandy flood.
Hi, you're correct in identifying that the O3 error is a fan or pressure switch error, but I can't find anywhere that the Baxi 3.5 has a flue temp stat. Does the fan run when it tries to start? And do you have continuity across the vacuum switch when you try and gently suck on the vacuum tube? If you have no continuity, then it's the switch that is faulty.
When I turn off power for a while, it sometimes clears and fan and everything else seems fine. In the manual on error code page it says O3E flue thermostat sensor trip/flue pressure switch trip. The manual is online. I'm trying to confirm with you if part 23 is both the thermostat sensor and the flue pressure switch. You should be able to find online the spare parts catalog. I also found online if the fan has 120V but doesn't spin, replace it. It has voltage and spins. It also said to check out flue. It's not melted or obstructed and the clear hoses coming off flue look clean and undamaged. I vacuumed flue today and turned back on. It's running okay for now. I also ordered part 23. It's called the pressure switch assembly. Don't know if it also has the flue thermostat sensor in it, or if it's another part. Just looked in book, think it might be part 18.
I have found the manual for the Baxi Luna Avon. This has a flue thermostat and it is part 18. So is it the Baxi Luna Avon that you have? If the fan is working and you have checked the vacuum pipes and switch, then it is likely to be the flue stat.
It's a Baxi Luna Comfort 310 Fi. I ordered part 18 and part 23. In the meantime, I vacuumed out the flue from outside and inside and also vacuumed pH tube coming off sensor and pressure switch, with a regular house vac, and it's been 3 days with no error.
That's good but strange, as the tube shouldn't have been blocked, or when you tested it you would have seen. Never mind, if it works it's good.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.